Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to reduce the noise and the echo level in your 3M XT1 drive-through intercom base station. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the 3M XT1 drive-through intercom base station, and with these intercoms sometimes you get too much noise, you get too much feedback, or you hear yourself when you talk. So in this video we're going to learn how to eliminate that. Let me turn on the light so you don't have my shadow on that thing. Alright, so these are the headsets that we are using with this. Well, when you're getting like a echo or feedback, it has nothing to do with your headset. It has to do with the base station. And here's how we fix it. You have to enter the installer mode, and in order to do that you have to press mode and then press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hit mode again and again and again. So basically, actually one more time, 4 times. This is the area that it will allow you to fix the noise. And if you look right here, that's the setup you need to go to. So you right click, down click, and enter. Once you enter, right now the inbound mic noise reduction level is medium. You need to first enter, then change the value to high, medium, or max, or off, whatever you want, like that. Low, that has multiple settings. Then hit enter, and then acoustic echo canceller. This is when you hear your own voice when you're talking to a customer who is placing an order. So you go down, hit enter, and maximum means most cancellation. So just so you know. And off means no cancellation. So off is the worst. But I'm gonna put it back to medium because that's where it was. But you could change it and then hit enter, and that will be set. And then hit mode again, like 2 times, and you're exiting back to the normal screen. So that's how you reduce the noise level and echo level. This is a common problem in almost all drive-through intercoms. When people come to the drive-through lane and they try to place an order, you basically hear your own voice instead of hearing the customer's order, and this is how you fix that on a 3M. Now if you want advanced noise cancelling and such and whatnot, then you need to switch to HME, EOS HD, HS6200 headset and base 6200 base station. So you need HS6200 headset and base 6200 base station for very clear sound, but they are very expensive. If you can't upgrade to that, this is what you can do to make this one as good as possible. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm also gonna leave the link to our HME and other drive-through 3M drive-through intercom products. Thank you.